Hey, welcome to another junior number video. This is our second number video on fractions and decimals. In the first one, we sort of chatted about strategies on how to deal with fractions and decimals a little bit more mentally in your head. In this video, we're going to show you a technique that deals with fractions and turning them into decimals, any fraction, by using the calculator. Here is a list of common fractions and their decimal equivalent. Half you probably should know by now. You should know quite a few of these. Half is equivalent to 0.5, a quarter is 0.25, 3/4 is 0.75. Now 1/3 and 2/3 are funny decimals because they are recurring and they go 0.333333 forever. And we've learnt in a previous video how to write this as 0.3 with the dot above. When we come to 2/3, 0.666666, which is 0.6 with the dot above the 6. And if we deal with the fifths, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, we're dealing with decimals of 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8. Would be a good idea to memorize as many of these as possible so that you're using confidently these common fractions with their decimals. However, this is a technique that will turn any fraction into a decimal. Any fraction. To convert a fraction into a decimal with the aid of a calculator, we just need to go numerator divide denominator. Top number divide bottom number. So how do I change 2/5 into a decimal? I just go numerator divide denominator, so I just go 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 on a calculator will give me 0.4. So 2/5 is equivalent to the decimal of 0.4. Remember those three lines? The equals with three lines means equivalent to, so 2/5 is equivalent or the same as 0.4. How will I change this into a decimal? Well, it's got a whole number and a fraction, 2 whole and 5/8. Well, just ignore the whole number, just focus on the fraction. How do I change a fraction into a decimal? I go numerator divide denominator, top number divide bottom number. So just go on your calculator, 5 divide 8, you should get 0.625. Now let's just put the whole number back, 2 whole and 0.625. That gives me 2.625. So 2 and 5/8 is equivalent to 2.625. Right, what about number 3? How do I change this fraction into a decimal? 4/9 into a decimal. All I need to do is top number divide bottom number, numerator divide denominator, top number divide bottom number. So 4 divided by 9 gives me this decimal, 0.444444. It's one of those weird decimals that keep going. It's called a recurring decimal. Now we spoke in a video quite a while ago about recurring decimals, and all you need to do is write down the first 4 because we notice it repeats and put a dot above it to tell somebody that that 4 carries on forever. So 4/9 is equivalent to the decimal of 0.4 recurring. Right, we're done. Thanks for watching.